mountain lions being around here.
And you jabroni won't even care to introduce yourself? What's your name?
My name is...
It doesn't matter what your name is.
I do not recommend this, but you know, actually I do. Check out the view, guys. Isn't it spectacular?
Hey guys, so today we're gonna go to Red Rock Canyon Trail in Lake Forest, California. And Alvin's eating his oatmeal.
Need them carbs, guys. It's an 8-hour long hike.
No, it's not. It's gonna be fun though.
Hey guys, we just left the house. That's my room up there. And the adventure begins. Let's go! Alright guys, so here we are. Alyssa is here paying for the parking.
Don't look at my debit card. I think we're supposed to go up this trail and then the Red Rocks should be in here.
So we're here right now. Yeah, the Red Rock Canyon is somewhere over there. Alright guys, so we just saw this sign and she's speaking out.
Oh, today's fire danger level is very high.
Are you kidding? What? Look at the start of the trail.
This is cool.
It's interesting.
This is already pretty.
Yeah. Guys, like, this looks like, at least for now, it looks like a pretty interesting trail. And we have all these slopes and trees all around us.
Yeah, it makes it interesting.
Right? It feels like we are already in the middle of the forest. This looks like it's going to be fun.
I know, I've got some high hopes.
Yeah, I guess the trails have started to open up as we're in the middle of this lockdown. So guys, let us know down in the comments, what have you guys been doing during this lockdown?
Have you learned anything? Accomplished anything?
She learned to play chess, right?
I did. I'm not very good at it, but I still learned.
Yeah, at least it's a step forward, right?
Yeah. Oh look, we have to jump over something. This is exciting.
Oh, the adventure of the Indiana Jones.
Yes! The adventure begins. I didn't really jump.
I know, right? You just walked.
I used the stepping stone.
Check out the rabbit, guys. I think we scared away. So it's so strange, guys. Like just about 2 minutes ago, you know, with all the trees around us and the shade around us, it just felt like we were deep inside the forest. And then as we walk ahead, there are houses over there. People live there.
Are we on the beach now?
Okay. There's sand everywhere. It feels like we're on the beach now. We're about to enter the forest again.
And it provides nice shade. Like if you come here on a really hot day, I feel like this is nice.
Yeah, it does. I know, right? Look at that, guys. Shade all around us. It feels amazing. Yeah. What are you doing? Walk. I'm Indiana Jones. I'm here to find the Ark of the Covenant.
I think that's the trail we should take. I don't know where it goes, but...
That's the trail that your mama warned you about.
Exactly.
I don't think they did a really good job at trying to block the trail.
Here's the barricade.
That's the barricade, guys. There's no way I can make it past that now. Dang.
Darn. If only there was somebody amazing who could just do it. Oh!
Alright guys, here comes the Jim Carrey laugh from Ace Ventura. Alyssa, I don't think that's a trail you should take. Looks like a trail, guys, but I'm sure you don't want to get eaten or attacked rather by a mountain lion.
Next time we'll do that one.
Yeah. Also, I mean, especially after seeing those signs of mountain lions being around here, I don't think we should take hideous trails like that.
But that's what makes it fun.
Yes, being attacked by a mountain lion.
No,
Let's go! It'll make a great vlog.
The thrill of almost being attacked by a
It'll make a great
living
vlog.
to tell the tale.
Hey guys, look! A mountain lion! I'm trying to fight it! Alright guys, I'm being eaten alive right now.
So this is what it looks like when you're getting eaten by a mountain lion.
Like, comment, subscribe!
Hi,
Cool, how are you?
Good, how's the hike so far?
It's
Been
good.
very good.
Good, have a good one.
You too.
You too.
Oh, look, this tree like literally
I
fell over.
felt them branches, are they looking at me? The branch over me, guys. It's a cool branch, right?
Cool branch, bro.
Cool branch, bro. And there's a bird here trying to talk to me. He's like, hey!
He's like, Aldrin!
Hey! Yeah! What's up, bro?
Look, it's The Rock. Dwayne The Rock Johnson.
You jabroni won't even care to introduce yourself? What's your name?
My name is...
It doesn't matter what your name is.
Look, a spider out in the wild.
Is it Daddy Longleg? It might be.
I guess someone was here. Morning.
So you need to stop saying good morning to the ones that are running.
Yeah, right. Because the lady earlier was like, morning. Good morning, ma'am. It looks like a pretty good spot to take a break. Nature's chair. Borrego Canyon. Must or difficult, easy.
The one we were just on is easy.
Pretty cool, guys. They also give you the levels of difficulties of these hikes. So we were here, guys. We started off here, and right now we're here. Oh, so the Red Rock Trail is right above us. I mean, right ahead of us. And that's north, yes?
Yeah. We need to go right here.
Yeah.
And then the
that's it.
first right, we take the right, and then there's a left.
Took a short break, guys, to have our bologna sandwiches. Yummy.
Okay, here we go. Red Rock Canyon.
So far, we've had no luck with snakes or mountain lions.
No luck. I would say we had lots of luck. Nature's alarm is going off right now.
Listen to the birds. That layer of bed or stratum would be older than this one, and then you get a younger bed formation and a younger and a younger and a younger bed formation.
Fun fact, Aldrin's not only a food science major, but he's a geology It's not a major. Is it?
Major.
It is a major. Okay.
It is a major. Bachelor's, yeah. That was way back in 2014. I graduated with my geology degree. It's been a while.
Basically, he just really is Indiana Jones.
I'd say so. I'm very scared of snakes, so yeah. Red Rock Formation.
Spotted.
Don't trip here, okay?
Oh yeah. This would be a bad place to trip. It's a beetle.
Beetle? Wow. Hey Jude. Hey guys, so it looks like we finally made it to the Red Rock Canyon. Wow, that's beautiful. It's just so beautiful, guys. I wish you could see through my eyes, but I don't think any camera in the world can do justice to what the eyes can see. This is just so beautiful. Wow. I'm seriously blown away by how easy this trail was and how spectacular the view is at the end.
Yeah.
Oh, the trail ends here? Are you kidding me? Wait a minute. Is it though?
If you want to try to climb.
What do you think, guys? Should we go past this endpoint? Or do you want an adventure? I guess you'll find out. Alright guys, so we jumped the fence. I do not recommend this. But you know, actually I do. Use your own judgment, guys. If you think it's safe, do it. Like, don't do it if it's a steep climb, but this looks pretty easy.
I don't think you can really go anywhere else after this. It's cool though.
Alright, it's time to go back down. Make sure you also have good hiking shoes, guys. That's why I say, guys, you better make sure that you have good footwear. Hiking shoes with a good sole. Because if you don't, you'll trip. Beautiful minerals here, guys. Check this out. This just looks like quartz to me. Check out these minerals and embedded in these rocks. Isn't that beautiful? Check out the view, guys. Isn't it spectacular? That was fun. Check this cactus out. Oh, look at that.
Oh wow.
Someone was a crazy lover here. Hey guys, if y'all know of any awesome trails out here in California, Southern California, let us know down in the comments.
Please.
Yeah.
We love hiking. We want to go to all of them.
Yeah. Mountain biker. These bladder backpacks are really useful, guys. Just listen to the sound. Wash your hands here. Whiting Ranch Wilderness Park. That's where you guys would want to start from if you want to go on this trail that we just hiked.
It's good to come here in the morning like we did because the parking lot's full now. And when we got here this morning, there was plenty of spots.
Yeah. So we're on our way back home now. We just got in the car and it's just around noon. We started this hike around 8:30, right? 8:30 a.m. It was a fun hike, I'd say.
It was nice.
Just glad to go out finally after this lockdown and be in the middle of nature. And alright guys, so until the next one. See you. Peace.
Bye.